Welcome to the world of household property maintenance. In this guide, we'll explore the essentials of keeping your home in top shape. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Household property means all the property, money, pampers, and appliances in the home. It's everything that makes your living space functional and comfortable. This unit will focus on furniture such as tables, chairs, cabinets, beds, benches, shelves, as well as electrical devices. These are the items that not only serve practical purposes, but also add to the aesthetic value of your home. Maintaining household property means using furniture and electrical devices properly and taking care of them. It's about ensuring longevity and keeping your home environment safe and pleasant. Welcome to the principles of maintaining household property. In this section, we'll cover essential guidelines to help you keep your home in top condition. Let's talk about the principles of maintaining household property. These principles are designed to ensure that your home remains a safe and pleasant place to live. There are some simple steps to properly take care of household property as follows. First, carefully use items in order to avoid damaging them. This means handling everything with a bit of extra caution to extend their lifespan. Get damaged property repaired as soon as possible before your parents see what you've done. Student number 12. This means you. You remember what you did. Clean property once a week. Together with dusting, sweeping, mopping, and cleaning the house. The floor should be clean enough to eat off of because sometimes your parents might serve dinner directly on the floor if they run out of clean plates. Choose appropriate equipment for cleaning each type of furniture based on the material it is made of. Principle 5 is to study the manual of each electrical device and follow the instructions carefully. A good tip is to cut pages from the manual and tape them to the insides of your glasses if you wear glasses. This way, you can read instructions even while walking or riding the train. 6. If furniture or electrical devices need to be moved, for example, to be cleaned, it should be done carefully whether you choose to use your hands or your feet to lift the objects. Now that we've covered the principles, let's talk about personal cleaning habits and wrap things up. What are some of your cleaning habits? Do you like to listen to music and dance while cleaning? Do you clean by yourself or as a family? Do you like to wear your little sister's clothes and your mom's makeup while cleaning? That's right, I'm talking about you, number 22. Tell us about your cleaning habits.